Greetings, my name is Ica Crawford and I'm the founder of Granola. Today we are going to be making pickled mirlitons, a recipe by Mrs. Walter Johnson. The first step is taking our mirlitons and slicing thinly along with yellow onion and green pepper. We're going to mix all of these ingredients into a bowl, add our salt, and cover with ice for 3 hours. After about 3 hours, you're going to want to drain your vegetables very well. And while our vegetables are draining, we'll start our brine process. Into a medium heat saucepan, we add our vinegar, sugar, turmeric, mustard seed, and a little bit of red pepper if desired. I love the red pepper because it adds color, and color is always the spice of life. And we're just gonna let this come up to a medium-high heat. Once your brine has come to a pretty heavy simmer, we're gonna add our vegetables. And this is going to be the mirliton, the onion, and the bell pepper that we salted and drained before. This is going to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then it'll be ready for the jar. So once our vegetables have simmered for about 5 to 7 minutes, we're going to take out our lovely veggies. And you'll notice that your vegetables will still maintain a little bit of the crispness, but that will mellow out in the jar over time. So once we have our vegetables in our jar, we're going to fill up the rest of the jar until about 1/2 inch of head space with the rest of our brine mixture. And in my handy dandy water canner, I will place our lovely pickled mirlitons inside, and that stays in for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that will make it shelf stable for up to a year.